All right, so there's this shocking news I'm seeing all over the blogs about Jenny's Glow. Very shocking news. So according to the story, they said that Jenny's Glow and her husband approached a 24-year-old girl that the girl should be their surrogate. Because according to the story, that Jenny's Glow is barren and she cannot have children. So for that reason, they said they needed a surrogate, which they brought this 24-year-old girl, and they agreed to pay her 4 million if she carry the baby. So all they had to do is Jenny's Glow husband will sleep with the girl. When the girl give birth, they'll just carry the baby and give it to Jenny's Glow. Then Jenny's Glow will now pretend as if she's the one that gave birth to the baby, or they will announce it that they use surrogate. So they brought the girl in, they wrote a contract. After the contract, they took the girl in. Jenny's Glow's husband slept with the girl and the girl got pregnant. So the agreement is that they'll give the girl some percentage of the money first. After she gives birth, they will balance her money. Now, that happened. They slept with the girl got pregnant. But sadly, there was some complication and the girl could not give birth to the baby. They lost the child. For that reason, Jenny's Glow and her husband was not happy. And they did not give the girl her balance again. So the girl got frustrated. After trying to get her money from Jenny's Glow, they didn't give her her money. Then she now decided to come outside with the story. First things first, you hear how juicy this story sound. Do you know I've gone through all the blogs? All the blogs that have posted this. None of them posted it with evidence. Not even that contract where the girl says she signed. I checked the blogs that posted it. If you see the way they were insulting this Jenny's Glow lady. Now, I'm not a fan of Jenny's Glow. But you see this matter, we teach a lot of you sense on this media. Where is the proof? When I don't already the bash, I see one video that Jenny's Glow made. Where is the proof? Where is the proof? This is the media that we have today. People will just wake up one morning, say something without proof. Baseless things sometimes. No proof. But of course, because you not like gist. Now I go say people want people downfall, but now I like story of people's downfall more than anything in this country. Where's the proof? All the bloggers that have posted it, post one proof, I'll give you 10 million naira. The kind of proof I want you to post a video of that girl and cover her face. Let her narrate the story, not her covering the face to send it to you. You, the blogger, let her send you the video with her face. Then you cover her face. Then you post it. Let's see. Post it. Let's see. No proof. Imagine the story. I was reading it. The name of the handle that posted it is Jenny's Glow's nemesis, right? Now, see the starting. Part 1. Hello, my name is Sonia Imeria Obasoha. I am 24 years old. As a young woman going through some struggles, I came across a link about someone looking for surrogates, offering the sum of 4 million naira. I was genuinely interested. You are mad. You came across a link in Nigeria where they find surrogates with 4 million naira. You know how many women for don't get belly. And some people read this thing and enjoyed it and felt like, yes. On the day of the arrangement, October 10, I followed a woman known as Miss Netete and her friend to the location. They had given me to my surprise, the place turned out to be Jenny's Glow. We exchanged pregnant. So the first day, Jenny's Glow just showed herself, boah, it is me. Like I said, you all know I'm not a fan of Jenny's Glow. The only reason why I'm talking about this, I'm just telling you to see the dangers of this social media and how anybody can just come out and say some crazy things without proof, baseless things, and you believe. But again, Nigerian women like gist. They like gist so much. Now, why people like Gist Lover and all this moo blog, Kitty and the co go the flourish? Because they post baseless things without proof. No story. I see one today. Somebody sent me say, they say when an activist won't go Germany. Say na Kitty just post them. I say, bro, I'm a fucking popular person. Are you mad? Anywhere I go to, people will know. That is a no-brainer. You don't need sense to understand. There's nowhere I will go to today where nobody no go know. Place when I go, when people gather for outside. People gather for outside. Oh, very dark man. You know how much I share for there that day? You know how much I share for there that day? People full outside for the embassy area. They have to tell them to calm down. So guess what now? Tomorrow night, if I can't go to Germany, they'll come say, what did I tell you? I see they discover one thing. The whole people in the whole of that embassy saw VDM that day. But because they want to validate their nonsense blog, they'll make it look as if they go discover one Mungo back. Then tomorrow they'll now put a false news about somebody that you can't believe. Say, no, but then go crack VeryDarkMan when he won't go Germany. It's a no-brainer. They don't discover shit. Blackmail. That's what they do to all these women. Now women be their market share. People like me enough to give you anybody money. Now women, I'll leak your secrets. I'll do all these female influencers. And then be their candidates. Did you know that? But women love gist. They love gist so much. They always say, you want to bring somebody down for, but they love people's downfall more than anything. Sad wives at home. Sad single mothers at home. Plenty of them. Shout out to all the happy single mothers. You know I love you guys, you know. But there are some sad ones who get problem. Anyways, back to the story. I want to see proof on Jenny's glow. Just proof. If you tell all these bloggers now to bring nothing, but because it's a juicy topic, they don't care. What if the Jenny's glow now can't go depressed, can't go by herself? Did you think about it? I'm not a fan of her, but what if she go drink poison as the thing come out and not be true? You know, if now one of our enemy where they don't get problem, just they do those things. At least as a blog, if they bring news like this for you, normally me at the tell them say, send me a video. I will not post the video. Send me a video, I'll keep it. If at all I need to post it, I will not blow your face. If you tell these bloggers now, say, okay, bring a video, blow the person's face, let's see, let the person narrate it, you know they. I see the girl page now. She don't go put one kind proof. But you could look at the thing, you go see the orchestrate down. Anybody that bring a proof, I'll give you 10 million. I just want to show you how this media works. Just bring proof, collect 10 million. Bring proof, collect 10 million from me. Bring that girl come outside today. A video of her, blow her face. We'll pay you 10 million. Then she narrates the whole story. Then from there, we'll come help her fight justice. Abi? From there, we'll come help the girl fight justice. Why would Jenny's glow do her that thing? But of course, it must. I know even they leave room for truth because I know saying a lie. Just a cheap blackmail scheme. At the wait, anybody will prove 10 million naira. Peace and love, don't please. Please don't learn, I will learn the hard way.